Welcome to Riji. Now we are going to learn the topics conjugate points, conjugate lines and condition for conjugate points and conjugate lines, and next inverse point. In that first one, conjugate points. Conjugate points. The first one is conjugate point. Conjugate points are nothing but, let us take one circle here. Let us take one circle. This is S is equal 0 here. Let us take one circle. S is equal 0. This is S is equal 0, having center C and radius R for this circle, and I am taking two poles of this circle on a plane. Two poles. This is P, x1 comma y1, and one more pole, that is Q, x2 comma y2 here. Here, if you draw a secant line through point P to a circle S is equal 0, here we are getting two point of contacts, those are 1 and 2 here. From those point of contacts, I am drawing tangents here. This is one tangent. Here the tangent should touch the circle at one point. Here the tangent should touch the circle at one point, and this is tangent 1, and this is one more tangent here. This is one more tangent. The point of intersection of these two tangents I am considering as PQR. I am taking this one is R, and one more here I am taking, this is a polar. Here this line is called polar. This point is pole here, and from this pole, this is also pole here. Here these 2 points, if you draw a tangent for this one, for example I am taking from this tangent. If you draw this here, this is a pole here. This pole is this pole. For this pole, this is a polar. For this pole, this is a polar. For P, this is a polar. And for Q, listen carefully. For Q, this is a polar. This is pole, this is pole, and this is polar. And for this pole, this is a polar. Here two polars are there. They with respect to Q, with respect to P. Here, if two poles lies with respect to a polars, here these two P and Q points are called conjugate points. Conjugate points of circle S is equal 0. Here, if P is taking as a pole here and Q is also taking one more pole here, from these two poles, for pole of P with respect to P, we are getting one polar, and on same polar we are taking a point Q here. On same polar, and we are taking pole P here. With respect to this pole, we are considering one more polar here. On this polar, we are getting point P here. This is all about conjugate points here, and in that way, similarly, we will discuss about conjugate lines. What is meant by conjugate lines here? Like previous case, conjugate lines like previous case only. I am drawing a circle here. I am drawing a circle. Having center C and S is equal 0. I am taking one pole P in the plane, and from this pole I am drawing a secant line. From this secant line I am drawing tangents here, and here one more tangent. This is called R, and I am taking one more pole here, that is P. That is P here. This is Q, sorry, this is Q here, x2 comma y2, one more P, and the joining of R and P will get polar. This polar is with respect to the pole P, and this pole is, this is also polar. I am considering this is also polar. I am considering this polar is with respect to the, this is polar 1, this polar 2. I am assuming that this polar 2 is with respect to the Q here. Then these two polars are, polar 1, polar 2 are called as conjugate lines of circle S is equal 0. This is all about the conjugate lines here. In this next part we will discuss conjugate points here. Here conditions for conjugate lines are when S is equal 0, be a circle with the center having center C and having radius R, where S is equal 0 is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus C is equal 0, and the lines are L1x plus M1y plus N1 is equal 0 and L2x plus M2y plus N2 is equal 0. To be a conjugate with respect to the circle, here two conditions are there. Here first one, if the circle is having as center as origin, then the condition is R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to N1 N2. This is a condition for conjugate lines when a circle is having in standard form R square of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to N1 N2, where R is the radius of circle, L1 L2 are coefficients of x of two lines here, two polars here, and M1 M2 are coefficients of y, N1 N2 are constants here, and we are taking here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0 is a circle equation, and that for that conjugate point lines condition is g square plus f square minus c into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to L1g plus M1f minus N1 into L2g plus M2f minus N2. Here this is all about the condition for conjugate lines here, and let us see one example question for conjugate lines here. If two lines are conjugate, then L1 is equal 2x plus 3y plus k is equal 0, and L2 line 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal 0 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. Then find the value of k here, and then find the value of k, and the solution for this one is given circle equation, given that the circle equation x square plus y square plus r square is equal r square here 25, here r square is nothing but 25 here, and lines L1 is equal to 2x plus 3y plus k, and L2 is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal 0, and here from this center C is equal 0 comma 0 and r is equal to 5. From this 5 square is nothing but 25, r is equal to 5 here, and L1, L2, N1 and L2, L1 is equal to, L2 is equal to 3, M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to minus 4, N1 is equal to k and N2 is equal to 6. If you compare these equations with L1x plus M1y plus L1x plus M1y plus N1 is equal to 0, L2x plus M2y plus N2 is equal to 0. While comparing this equation, these two equations we are getting L1, L2, M1, M2, N1, N2 values. What is the condition for conjugate lines of a circle is having in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square? R square into condition r square into L1, L2 plus M1, M2 is equal to N1, N2. Let's substitute the value here. R square, for r square is nothing but 5 square. Next L1, L2 2 into 3 plus M1, M2 3 into minus 4, where M1, N1, N2 k into 6, here k into 6. Let's 25, 2 3 just 6 minus 3 into 4 minus 12 is equal to k into 6, k into 6k, we can write it as 6k here, 6k. So 25 into 6 minus 12, 25 into minus 6, that is equal to 6k, k 6 6 get cancelled, k is equal to how much we got here, minus 25. This is the value of k here in with respect to two lines of a circle. Talk about polar lines of a circle is given. Next you can solve by your own. I am giving one question here. If two lines 3x minus 4y plus k is equal 0 and 5x plus 3y minus 6 is equal 0 are conjugate to the circle that is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0, minus 2 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. This is the question here. Do it over your own here. Do it your own. And here he is given, I am explaining this question here simply. Here he is given L1 line and L2 line. From this L1 and L2 we will get L1, L2, M1, M2 and N1, N2. This is capital N. Consider this is capital N, capital N, capital L. So we can easily identify what is L1. We can easily differentiate this L1s and this L1s here. And conjugate line. And he is given one circle is equal equation, that is equal S is equal 0. From this circle equation we can find G comma F comma C values. While getting L1, L2, N1, N2, M1, M2, G and FC values from this equation, you can from G and FC values we will get R also. Then substitute the values of all values in this condition, you will get the answer for k here. This is all about this question. You can solve by it your own. Next point, next topic is and the next topic is inverse point. Here, what is mean by inverse point here? Let S is equal 0 be a circle. I am taking one circle here. This is circle and having center C here. This is the center C here. I am taking one pole, that is Q here. This is a pole on a plane. This is a pole on a plane. For this pole, I am taking one polar. I am directly drawing polar here. I am directly drawing a polar here. This is called polar of Q here. This is polar of Q, and if you this is polar here. This is polar here. If you join C and Q here, if you join C and Q here, it will intersect at point. The tangent and the distance between the line between C and Q will intersect at point P. Here, these two points are called inverse point. P and Q points are called inverse points. If a polar intersecting the distance between the line intersecting, the polar intersecting and the line intersecting between C and Q is the point P and Q are called inverse points here. This is the tangent of Q pole here, and always this C is foot of the perpendicular to Q here, foot of the perpendicular to Q here. And the next one, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. And the next one, here P and Q lies on same side of C here. P and Q lies on the same side of Q here, and the next one is CP into CQ. CP into CQ is equal to R square. This is a condition for inverse point. CP into the distance between C and P and C and Q into the product of these two distance is equal to square of radius. This is about the condition for inverse point. And the next one,